Are you facing issues with WhatsApp on your PC and need to get in touch with customer service? You're in the right place. Let's walk through the simple steps to contact WhatsApp customer service using the PC app. First, open your WhatsApp application on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and you're all set to go. Next, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This is your settings menu, where you'll find various options to customize your experience. Now click on the gear icon. This will take you to the settings page. From there, you'll need to navigate to the Help section. It's usually easy to spot, so just click on it. Once you're in the Help section, look for the option that says Contact Us. This is your gateway to getting support directly from WhatsApp. After clicking on Contact Us, you'll have the opportunity to write down your specific problem. Be as clear as possible to ensure they understand your issue fully. Once you're done, simply click on the Send button. The final step is where the magic happens. After you've sent your message, they will initiate a chat with you. This allows you to discuss your concerns directly with a member of the WhatsApp support team, making it easier to resolve your issue promptly. And that's it. You're all set to get the help you need from WhatsApp. Don't forget to check back for response updates in your chat. Happy messaging.